Hello and welcome to the Indianica Quiz League, the IQL. This is an East Zone final, and so far we've had an absolutely fascinating contest in the north, and now we move to the east. It's interesting. Today, the weather in the north of India, where I am, was very cloudy and there was hail. And so I looked up hail and I tried to find out more about it. And I realized that hail can only happen from cumulonimbus clouds. And if we get hail once in a while and we are worried, there is a place called Kericho in the highlands of Kenya where you get hail almost 50 times a year. One year you got hail 132 times. So that's a fascinating thing about quizzing, and all people interested in quizzing. You never stop learning. Well, I hope our teams never stop learning and never stop answering, because we've got a cracker of an East Zone round coming up. It's an East Zone final. Let's quickly go and meet our 6 teams. Our teams for the day. First up, Don Bosco Bandel. They're represented by Devapom Shortcut and Prithvi Panda. Devapom, 21st century, do you believe that there are any good inventions that have happened so far in this 21st century?
I think the electric car is the most useful invention of the 21st century.
And why do you think it's more useful than the previous, the combustion cars, internal combustion cars?
Sir, because electric cars don't produce pollution.
Wonderful. I think you're looking out, and it's very interesting that all of you are so concerned about pollution, because it is a huge problem in our country today. Prithvi, I have a different question to you. If I were to ask you that add one subject, not take away a subject, but add a subject to your school syllabus, which subject would you add?
Sir, I would like to add a healthcare subject to our new syllabus, because I think that children from a very young age should be educated about health and other hygienes and all personal works they have to do, or their diet or their health. They have to think about their health.
I think that's really important, Prithvi. I'm so glad that you're passionate about it, because healthcare is something, and in this pandemic year, it's been brought to us even more strongly. All the very best, Don Bosco Bandel. We move on to our next school, and our next school today is Mount Assisi from Bhagalpur. Aditya, I've been dying to ask Aditya, where does the name Mount Assisi come from?
The name Mount Assisi comes from the name of the mountain Mount Assisi, which is situated in Italy. Our school is named Mount Assisi because it is the birthplace of our patron, Saint Francis of Assisi.
Saint Francis of Assisi is obviously also a favorite of mine, because he loved animals, and he's a man who's regarded as very kind to animals at a time when most were not. Arush, I'm going to ask you a very, very different question. If I gave you a lot of money, a crore of rupees, what would you do with it, Arush?
The first thing that I would do is I'll buy a PS5, and the next thing is that I'll invest in a startup with my partner Aditya.
Wow. And what do you want to do? Do you have any idea what you want to do with your startup? What do you want to do?
Actually, I haven't thought of it yet, but I'll definitely think of it.
Lovely. I love it, the fact that you have such an entrepreneurial set of mind already. All the very best, Mount Assisi Bhagalpur, the very best for you in this quiz and in your life. Let's move on to our next team. And our next team is Bhubaneswar Model School, and they are represented by Aditi Mishra and Ritesh Mohanty. Aditi, mountains or oceans? Most people have a preference. What's yours?
So I would prefer oceans, because before I have never been to mountains or out of Orissa. So I have been staying here with ocean, and I love waters. So my choice is oceans.
Of course, and there's no reason for you not to love it. Odisha has so many beautiful beaches, from Puri to Gopalpur, so many lovely beaches in which we have spent so much time. And we move to Ritesh. I have a very different question for you, Ritesh. One place in the world that you wanted to go to, where would you like to go?
Sir, I would like to go to North Pole, as I want to see auroras, and they are very beautiful.
Wonderful. The Aurora Borealis and the Aurora Australis, which is obviously in the other part, in the other pole, they're truly, really beautiful to watch. Of course, you'll have to watch out for the polar bears, but all the very best. I hope you get there one day, Ritesh. We move on to our next team. And our next team is Paksi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar, represented by Samiksha and Priyansh. Samiksha, I want to ask you, what do you do to keep your mind sharp? Is there anything you particularly do?
First of all, hello, sir. Sir, I like
Hi.
to read books and watch educational channel like Epix TV. And I like to move to many silent places like our Shanti Stupa Dholi.
Okay, you like it. You do television as well, but you love meditation as well. You're a person of many paths. Priyansh, I want to ask you something simply. Arts or science, what do you prefer?
I would prefer arts.
Samiksha, you would prefer arts. Priyansh, what about you?
Sir, I would prefer science because it will bring more technologies to this new world.
Wonderful. So one of you prefers arts, one of you prefers science, but that makes you a terrific team and combination together. All the very best, Bakshi Jagabandhu. We move on to our next school, and that is St. Joseph's Kachapara. St. Joseph's, you did very well in your first round. You topped your round. What is your mantra for success this time? What are you planning to do? Are there any dangerous teams you're looking out for, Apesh?
So actually, the most important mantra for me is to be calm, not to be nervous during the quiz when I lose points. I want to just believe in myself, and I want to go on what am I doing.
Wonderful. I think you're very focused about it. Devajyoti, are you nervous about today, or are you confident about what you want to do? Devajyoti.
I'm concerned. Know what I mean.
Confident?
Yes, sir.
Are you nervous at all about any of the other teams?
No, sir. I'm not nervous.
Good. You're not nervous at all. St. Joseph's Kachapara sound confident because they are one of the favorites going into this round. Let's go and meet our final team for the day. Bongai Hall School, represented by Roktutpal and Ovik. Roktutpal, what is the mantra? What is your mantra for a successful life?
So, for a successful life, I suggest that to make our mind free from all of the problems and start again and again, which we could not do in our life.
Okay, it's a good mantra to follow. Keep your mind free, keep your mind clean. Abhik, how do you keep yourself occupied during the day? If I gave you a free day to do nothing, what would you do?
First of all, do whatever I like, singing, dancing, everything, watching television, reading books, etc. Sleeping also. As routine, we can't do, we have to follow routines, that's why.
Wonderful. But you sing a lot, Ovik? Do you like singing?
Sometimes.
And what do you sing? Hindi songs, Bengali songs, what language? What do you like singing?
Mixed.
Any singer you like?
Such mixed, which lines come to my mind, I sing steps only.
Wonderful, Ovik. That's the way to be. We have mixture of cultures, of all this beautiful culture that India has, of so many languages and so many beautiful songs. All the very best, Bongaigaon Higher Secondary School. That makes up our East Zone lineup, and we go straight into round number one. Round number one is a round where a lot of points can be scored. It's called Ladder List. Let's find out about it. Each team will be assigned a subject with a number of possible answers, but there's a finite number. They must answer any 8 correct ones in the subject within 45 seconds. 5 points for every correct answer. If you get 8, I'll give you 10 bonus points. Let's go straight and play Ladder List with team number 1. Don Bosco Bandel, your Ladder List subject is Tennis Grand Slam men's singles champion since 2000. Just name 8 different tennis Grand Slam champions. Any 8, any of the 4 championships, only it has to be men's. Your time starts now.
Andy Murray.
Sir,
Andy Murray. Rafael Nadal.
Roger Federer.
Roger Federer.
Novak Djokovic.
Djokovic. Strong answer.
Juan Martin Del Potro.
Del Potro, that's a good answer there. Del Potro.
Denis Shapovalov.
Sorry, who's that?
No.
Andre Agassi. Andre Agassi.
Andre Agassi, you tried. Yes. 2 more to go.
Sir, Liberton Highton.
Did you say Leighton Hewitt?
Yes, sir.
Leighton Hewitt. I heard Leighton Hewitt, and I'll accept that. That was close enough for me. Some excellent answer out there because Federer, Nadal, and Djokovic have won so many. It's very difficult to remember other champions. But let's see some of the other people who have won as well. Among them are, you can take a look at the total list, and it's actually quite large. Let's have a look at all the names. So there's Wawrinka, there's Roddick, Marat Safin, Pete Sampras, Gustavo Kuerten, Alberto Cordas, so many other winners, but obviously dominating these last 2 decades have been the big three of Federer, Nadal, and Djokovic. Great answering there. 35 is a very, very good start. Let's move straight to our next team. Team number 2, Mount Mississippi, Bhagalpur. Here's your ladder list subject. Indian public sector banks.
State Bank of India.
State
The
Bank.
time starts now. Start.
State Bank of India.
State Bank
Punjab
of India.
National
Punjab
Bank.
National Bank, yeah, that's correct.
Punjab
HDFC.
National Bank.
No.
No, not HDFC.
RBI.
RBI is not public sector.
Okay.
Not a public sector bank. Keep going.
NABARD.
Lots of banks. Huh?
NABARD.
Allahabad Bank. Union
Oh,
Bank.
these are the, yeah. Indian Bank.
UCO.
It's got another one. Indian Bank. Yes, keep going. Just keep
Union
saying
Bank.
UCO.
names. UCO Bank. Yes, I'll accept UCO Bank.
NABARD.
Union Bank.
Union Bank of India. I'll accept that. UBI.
Corporation Bank.
Corporation Bank is not correct. Okay, you got yourself 5. The ones you got were State Bank of India, UCO Bank, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, and Indian Bank. And that gives you a total of 25 points. Let's look at the other ones you could have answered. Here is the complete list. It's not that big a list, you'll be surprised. Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda is the big one you missed, Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, and the Punjab and Sindh Bank. Let's move straight to team number 3. Team number 3, Bhubaneswar Model School. Aditi and Ritesh, your ladder list subject is Miss World and Miss Universe from India. Your time starts now.
So Aishwarya Rai will
Aishwarya Rai,
Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. Think of other actresses. Anyone else appearing in web series actresses? Somebody you know? The first Miss Universe. Any other names? Quickly think of what other actresses have come from this or the Times of India winners. Anyone else? Any other actresses come to mind? Come on, Aditi. Come on, Ritesh. No, bad luck. You got 2 correct, Aishwarya and Priyanka. That gives you 10 points. Let's look at the other winners, and a lot of famous names you possibly just missed out on. Among them is Shushmita Sen, Lara Datta, Yukta Mukhi, Diana Hayden, Rita Faria, and Manushi Chiller. Those are the ones that you missed out on, but 10 points is a good start. It's interesting that we have so many winners from our country. Very, very interesting. Let's move straight to our next team. And your subject, Bhakti Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar, is Union Territories of India. Okay? Your time starts now.
Jammu and Kashmir,
Jammu and Kashmir, yes.
Dadra Nagar,
Yes. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, which is 1 now.
Delhi,
Delhi is correct.
Puducherry,
Puducherry is also correct.
Andaman and Nicobar,
Andaman and Nicobar Islands, correct. Just 3 to go. Keep going. Ladakh, recently formed. It is Ladakh is there as well. 2 more. Chandigarh is correct. Chandigarh is correct, and you've just run out of time. Great going there. Fabulous performance there, Bakshi Jagabandhu. You just missed out on one, and that was Lakshmadeep. But 35 is a terrific score. Let's go on to our next team. St. Joseph's Kachapara, your ladder list subject is Prime Ministers of India. 45 seconds to name 8 Prime Ministers. Your time starts now.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru,
Narendra Modi,
Narendra Modi,
Dr. Manmohan Singh,
Dr. Manmohan Singh,
Indira Gandhi,
Srimati Indira Gandhi,
Rajiv Gandhi,
Rajiv Gandhi, keep going.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Some in the 70s you may have missed. Some in the 90s. Come on.
Is it SD Kumaraswamy?
Kumaraswamy. Bad luck. It is HD but not Kumaraswamy. Those were the 6 you got for 30 points. Let's take a look at the remaining names. And the names that you possibly could have answered: Charan Singh, Deve Gowda, VP Singh, IK Gujral, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Chandrasekhar Moraji Desai, and PV Narasimha Rao. Obviously, we haven't put in acting Prime Ministers. Anyway, 30 points is a very creditable score. Let's go straight to our next team. And Bongaigaon Higher Secondary School, your ladder list subject is as follows. Here's your subject. Months in the Indian national calendar. Indian months in our Saka calendar. Your time starts now.
Sir, Chait.
Come on. Chait, sir, I'll accept.
Sir, Magh.
Magh, I'll accept.
Kartik.
Kartik. Well done, keep going. Think of seasons, you'll be better. Think of seasons, different seasons, what happens.
Vaishak.
Vaishaki. Very good. Keep going.
Ashwin.
Ashwin, I'll accept. Well done, Bongaigaon. You got 5 correct. The other remaining, obviously, there are 12 names because there are 12 months to our calendar. Let's have a look at some of the other names, and they are as follows. Jyesh, Ashad, Paush, Shravan, and Falgun, which they missed out on. But I think 25 is a very creditable score. It's a difficult subject, and they got 25 points. So at the end of this first ladder list round, let's have a look at the scores. Bhubaneswar Model Public School, they got themselves 10 points. Bongaigaon High Secondary School is on 25, as is Mount Assisi and of Bhagalpur. St. Joseph's Kachapara on 30, Bakshi Jagabandhu on 35, and also on 35, Don Bosco Bandel Hooghly. It's all really set up for our next round, which has a ton of points. It's called Direct Fire. Let's go straight into Direct Fire. Two cycles of questions for each of the teams. Each team gets 2 direct questions. Plus 10 and 0 is what they can score. If they can't answer it, it goes up on the bonus. Teams that hit the bonus have to buzz the question. If they buzz, they get plus 5. If they get it wrong, they get minus 5. Right? Those are the rules. Let's move straight to team number 1. Team number 1, Don Bosco Bandel Hooghly. This is your direct question. Which script devised by Guru Angad is the official script of the Punjabi language? Don Bosco.
Sir, Gurumukhi.
Gurumukhi is correct. Plus 10 to you. Well done. Plus 10. It is Gurumukhi, of course. Devised by Guru Angad, and it is used in all communications. Let's move forward. Question number 2 coming up. Mount Assisi, this is your direct question. Which prize for the popularization of science set up by B2 Patnaik is named after an ancient kingdom in the Odisha region?
Kalinga Award.
Kalinga Award, absolutely correct. Kalinga Award is the correct answer, and you get yourself 10 points for that. It is indeed the Kalinga Prize. Great answer there, 10 points to you. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 3, Bhubaneswar Model School. Aditi and Ritesh, here is your question. Opened in October 2020, which tunnel under the Rohtang Pass is named after the former Prime Minister of India?
So my buzzer is locked.
It doesn't matter. Can we answer?
So Jawaharlal.
Not Jawaharlal Nehru. And the question opens on the buzzer then. And let's see who's buzzed first. It's St. Joseph's Kastrapara who's buzzed first. St. Joseph's, do you have an answer for me?
Sir, it is Atal Tunnel.
It is the Atal Tunnel. It is the Atal Tunnel, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated it. It's more than 9 kilometers long. That's very, very long. It's a feat of engineering which we are very proud of. Fabulous answer there. Let's go on to our next team. Our third team is Bakshi Jagabandhu from Bhubaneswar. Here is your direct question. Which city in West Bengal lends its name to the narrow stretch of land also called Chicken's Neck that connects the Indian mainland with the northeast? It's the city in West Bengal, up there in North Bengal. Can you identify this city? We all know the name of the city.
Sikkim.
Not Sikkim. Anyone on the buzzer? Yes, first on the buzzer, Prithvi Panda. Prithvi.
Sir, Siliguri Corridor.
The Siliguri Corridor is a very good answer. +5 to you, Don Bosco Bandel. It is indeed the Siliguri Corridor. And that's a great, great answer there. Let's move straight to our next team. St. Joseph's Kastrapara, your direct question coming up now. St. Joseph's, here's your question. Which cost-effective paper strip test for COVID-19 is named after a fictional detective created by Satyajit Ray? St. Joseph's.
Sir, Feluda.
Feluda is absolutely correct. Well done, St. Joseph's Kastrapara. The answer is, of course, Feluda, the famous detective, and played in film very, very famously by Soumitra Chatterjee. Fantastic character created by Satyajit Ray, gives you 10 points. Okay, let's move on to our next team. Bongaigaon Higher Secondary School. Your question is, the India and Australia Test Series is played for which trophy? What is the name of the trophy? No, Bongaigaon, I have to pass you. And first on the buzzer is Don Bosco Bandel. You have an answer for me?
The Border Gavaskar Trophy.
It is the Border Gavaskar Trophy, named after two of the most famous cricketers, Alan Border and Sunil Gavaskar. Coincidentally, they were also the first to reach 10,000 test runs. It is the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Great answer there. We now reverse directions. Bongaigaon, it's your turn for a visual question. As we reverse directions, here is your visual question coming up now. Which artist painted this famous fresco on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Take a look. No, Bongaigaon, I don't have an answer, so I'll open it in the buzzer. First on the buzzer is Mount Assisi, Bhagalpur.
Raphael.
Sorry?
Raphael.
Raphael is incorrect. I'll open it again on the buzzer. Is there any other team on the buzzer? Yes, it is. Prithvi Panda from Don Bosco. Prithvi.
Sir, Giovanni del Di Dolci.
It's not Giovanni del Dolci. -5 to you as well. And there's another team on the buzzer. Bhubaneswar Model Public School. Bhubaneswar, do you have an answer for me? Aditi.
So Michelangelo.
Michelangelo. I will accept Michelangelo. That's correct. Michelangelo is the correct answer. +5 to you. Let's go on straight to our next question. Our next question coming up, and this is a direct coming up for St. Joseph's Kastrapara. Here is your visual question. Which place in West Bengal, known for a 1757 battle, takes its name from the state flower of Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh? St. Joseph. That's the flower. Take a good one.
Sir, is it Lassi?
Plassey is correct. Plassey, or in Bengal they call it Polashi. That's where the famous battle was fought between Robert Clive and Siraj-ud-Dowla. Well done there. Plus 10 to you. Important points to St. Joseph's Kachapara. Let's go on to our next visual question. Bakshi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar, here is your visual question coming up now. Identify this tennis player of Tripuri origin who won a gold medal in the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Who's that? No, nobody. On the buzzer, first up, Prithvi Panda from Don Bosco Bandel. Don Bosco, do you have an answer? Yeah, do you have a full name? Okay, I'll accept it. That's good enough for me. Somdev Dev Burman, he belongs to the royal family of Tripura. Great answer on the buzzer. Let's see who our next team is coming up. Bhubaneswar Model Public School, here's your visual question, Aditi and Ritesh. In which town would you find this temple that marks the location of where Lord Buddha is believed to have attained enlightenment? No, passing you first on the buzzer is Aditya from Mount Assisi. Aditya, do you have an answer for me?
So the town which you are talking about is Gaya. It's in Bihar.
Mount Assisi, I'll accept your answer. That is both Gaya, where the Mahabodhi temple is, and that gives you 5 extra points. Good answer there. Let's move on to our next team in this visual round. It's Mount Assisi again, and this is your question coming now. Identify this Kenyan social, environmental, and political activist who won a Nobel Prize. Let's identify.
Wangari Maathai.
Wangari Maathai, I think, is a spectacular answer. Really good answer. She's the first woman of African origin to win a Nobel Prize for Peace. Really good answer there, Aditya Setu. I think it's one of the answers of the quiz. Plus 10 to you, Mount Assisi, Bhagalpur. And let's move on to the next one, which I think is the final question in this round. And it goes to Don Bosco Bandel Hooghly. Here's your visual question coming up now. The Gahirmata coast of Odisha is the world's largest breeding ground of which species of marine animal? Very famous creature. Can you name this creature?
The turtle.
I need a more specific name. No, turtle is not good enough for me. First on the buzzer is Bakshi Jagabandhu. Do you have an answer for me?
Olive Ridley turtle.
It is the olive ridley turtle, and I'm glad your team from Bhubaneswar is answering it, because this is a very, very famous place in Odisha where all the olive ridley turtles come to lay their eggs. Terrific answer there, Bakshi Jagabandhu. It gives you a +5, and that means we've had a great direct fire round. Lots of teams have scored, lots of points, lots of action. Let's have a look at the scores. Bhubaneswar Model Public School is on 15. Bongaigaon High Secondary School is on 25. Bakshi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar is on 40. Mount Assisi Bhagalpur is on 45. St. Joseph's Kachapara and Don Bosco Bandel are leading at this point with 55 points. It's all really set up for that round, which has a ton of points. We call that round Super Sixer. We offer you a subject with 9 tiles. 6 of those are correct answers, 3 of them are wrong answers. Within 45 seconds, you can change as much as you want. Once you're frozen, we'll look at all your answers. For every correct answer, you get +5. But if you make a single mistake, you go to 0 in this round. Remember, you can quit at any point. Teams, I encourage you to discuss among yourselves as much as you want to. It's important to discuss. It's important to be sure before answering, because this is a round about playing safe as well. Okay, let's go straight to the first team. We're playing anti-clockwise, and our first team is Bongaigaon High Secondary School. Your subject is animals with pouches, marsupials, and let's have a look at your grid. Bongaigaon, your time starts now.
The koala.
Koala.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Wombat.
Wombat, you said. Take your time, discuss if you want to. There's no hurry. You can answer as many as you want.
कुछ होगा?
पेट लग रहा है.
Okay, you picked 3. The choices you took was wombat, correct or not? Correct. Seahorse, is it correct? It is. And for 15 or 0, koala. Correct. So you played safe, Bongai Bao, but you got yourself 15 points. 3 incorrect choices there on the grid were, of course, the panda, which is a creature mostly from China and Northeast India, the protea, which is actually a flower, and the horseshoe bat. Well done, Bongai Bao. You've got yourself 15 points, which is a creditable performance. Let's go on to the next team. Coming up now, we have St. Joseph's Kachapara. Let's have a look at your subject. Names of Indian airports. 6 of them are names of Indian airports. 3 are not. Here's your grid. St. Joseph's, your time starts now.
Sir, Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Dibadati, do you know something?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100% or just guessing?
100%.
Should I take Jawaharlal Nehru?
Yes, sir, then take it.
Yes, take it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Take it, Jawaharlal Nehru.
And I'm not sure about any more, so I cannot.
Okay, St. Joseph's Kachapara, you played it safe. You just went for three really big names, former Indian Prime Ministers. Let's see what you answered. Indira Gandhi, correct or not? Indira Gandhi is, of course, Delhi Airport. Then you tried Rajiv Gandhi, which is the airport in Hyderabad. And your next choice was Jawaharlal Nehru. Sadly, there are many streets named after him, many stadiums named after him. There isn't an airport named after Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's have a look at the remaining correct choices. And here they are. Gopinath Bordoloi, of course, is Guwahati. There's Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is Allahabad. Birsa Munda Airport in Jharkhand. And Swami Vivekanand Airport is in Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Great answers. You tried very hard, but you just skipped out on that one. So bad luck there, St. Joseph's Kachapara. Let's move on to the next team. Patsi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar, your subject is bacterial diseases. Which of these are bacterial, which are not? Think carefully, answer as many as you know. Here's your subject tiles. The time starts now.
Tetanus.
Sorry, repeat that, please.
Tetanus.
Tetanus.
Tians, I think it is also a tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis. Keep going.
Malaria?
Then you tried malaria.
Also not malaria.
Okay, you want to remove malaria?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Remove malaria. No, those were the only. You went forward, you went to malaria, you came back. Let's see if tetanus is correct or not. Correct, 5 points. Tuberculosis. Plus 5, 10. Let's see the remaining. And had you answered malaria, what would have happened? Can you open the remaining tiles, please? Malaria is incorrect, so you just saved yourself 10 points. Malaria, of course, is created by protozoans. Parkinson's and diabetes are the other incorrect answers. Let's move straight to our next school. 10 points to you. Let's move straight to our next school. Bhubaneswar Model School. Aditi and Ritesh, your subject is brands of Coca-Cola. 6 of these are Coca-Cola brands. 3 are not. Here are your tiles. Your time starts now. Which of these are Coca? 7-Up, you said.
Right.
Any others? You can change as much as you want. Sprite, you said. Maaza. You can change any if you want to.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Sorry? Repeat that, please.
Fanta.
Fanta, you said. And did you say anything more? You said Limca. I'll accept that. Just before the buzzer, you said Limca. Those are the ones you got. Let's see how well you've done. Maaza, Limca, Fanta, Sprite, correct or not? 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the two you answered after that. 7-Up, correct or not? 7-Up is incorrect and Mountain Dew is incorrect as well. Let's have a look at the other correct answers. Bad luck there. Unfortunately, no points for you, Bhubaneswar Model School. Let's move on to our next team. Mount Sisi Bhagalpur, here's your subject. Express trains. Which of these are express trains? Let's have a look at your options. Mount Sisi, your time starts now. Name the 6 actual express trains here. Come on, guys. Start answering.
Duronto Express.
You said Duronto Express. Okay, keep going. Come on, guys. Think of trains passing through, close by. What are the other trains you've heard of?
Gandhi Express.
I don't know about that. We will get to see otherwise.
Vikram.
No.
No. Okay. Sarojini Express.
Let it be.
Okay.
Okay. Mount Sisi, you played it very safe. You said Duronto Express, is it correct or not? Let's have a look. So you've got yourself, Duronto Express is correct. You've got yourself 5 points. And let's have a look at some of the other express trains that you might have answered on this list. Here are the other correct answers. Nilgiri Express, which is a beautiful train which moves all the way from Chennai to Coimbatore Mettupalayam. There is a Black Diamond Express that goes from Howrah Station right to the coalfields of Dhanbad. There's Malgudi Express, there's Godan Express and Geetanjali Express, which goes from Kolkata to Mumbai. Of course, the ones which we made up for you are Sarojini Express, Gandhi Express, and Vikramaditya Express that do not exist. But 5 points are good, and 5 points is better than 0. You played it really smartly, so let's go to the last team to play this round of Super Sixer, and that is Don Bosco Bandel Hooghly. This is your subject. Fictional places. 6 of these are fictional places, 3 of these are real. Pick out the fictional places. Here is your grid. Your time starts now. Yes, Don Bosco.
Mordor.
Mordor.
Malgudi.
No. Yes, Malgudi. Sir,
Malgudi.
Narnia.
Narnia. Keep going. You can think, take your time, discuss, no problems, you're in no hurry. Anything else strikes your fancy?
Okay.
Don Bosco played it very safe, but did they play it safe enough? They tried 3. You tried Narnia and Mordor, correct or not? Narnia correct, Mordor correct, and then you tried Malgudi. We just heard Malgudi Express. Is Malgudi real or fictional? Malgudi is fictional, created by R.K. Narayan. Lovely answer there. 15 points to you. You played it really well. Of course, the other correct answers there were Neverland, of course, and Wakanda, which the Black Panther stays in, and Tatooine from the Star Wars stories. The incorrect answers were Tuvalu, which is real, Timbuktu in Mali, and Nicosia, which is the capital of Cyprus.
Half question.
All teams playing it very, very carefully on this round, and let's see what that means on our leaderboard at the end of Super Sixer. Here's what the leaderboard looks like. Bhubaneswar Model is on 15. Bongaigaon Higher Secondary School is on 40. Just ahead of them on 50 is Bakshi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar and Mount Assisi Bhagalpur. A little bit ahead of them in second place, St. Joseph's Kasarpur on 55 and Don Bosco Bandel is on 70. Remember, 3 teams are going through, so it's going to be an intense battle out here as we go into our next round, our final round, and that is called the Final Countdown. Points up for stake in the final countdown. 6 direct questions open to all in the buzzer. 10 points for a correct answer, but minus 10 for an incorrect answer. Remember, teams, I will stop the question the moment I see the buzzer hit. Without any further ado, let's go straight and play the final countdown. Teams, this is the first question of the final countdown coming up now. And the first question is, which film star is the owner of the football team Northeast United? Northeast United, and the first on the buzzer, Don Bosco Hugli. You have an answer for me.
John Abraham.
John Abraham is correct. 10 points for Don Bosco Bandel, and they extend their lead at the top. Next question coming up. Which is the most abundant gas in the air? First up, Bakshi Jagabandhu, do you have an answer?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen is correct. Plus 10 for you. Nitrogen is almost 60%. Well done there. Next one coming up. Question number 3. Which character from folklore, from English folklore, who used to dress in Lincoln green, used to rob from the rich to give to the poor? And first up, it's St. Joseph's Kasarpur. Do you have an answer for me?
It's Robin Hood.
Robin Hood is correct. Well done. Plus 10 for you. The next question coming up. Which major motorcycle manufacturer uses the motto, I made like a gun, goes like a bullet? Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. And Mount Assisi Bhagalpur is up first.
Royal Enfield.
Royal Enfield is correct. Royal Enfield, who also makes the bullet motorcycle. And let's see what can happen out here, because things have got really exciting. Bakshi Jagabandhu is on 60, Mount Assisi is on 60, St. Joseph's is just ahead on 65, Don Bosco Bandel is on 80. Now the remaining 2 questions, there are 3 teams who are vying for the top 2 positions after Don Bosco Bandel, who's right there at the top. Okay, second and third is being vied for between St. Joseph's, Mount Assisi and Bakshi Jagabandhu. These 2 questions could decide it. Question number 5 coming up. Which river flowing through northeast India is known as Sangpo in Tibet? And first on the buzzer is Mount Assisi Bhagalpur.
The river called Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra it is, and that means they go into second place. They've answered this. They go into second place. St. Joseph's Kasarpur going to third place. And this is a very crucial question. Question number 6, a final question coming up. Which fictional agent would you associate with the number 007? And first is Don Bosco Hugli. Answer, please.
James Bond.
Yes.
James Bond is correct. And by Don Bosco Hugli answering, it means that our table remains the same. So at the end of a frenetic round of final countdown, let's have a look at the final scores. Bhubaneswar Model School ends up at 15. Bongaigaon High Secondary School on 40. They played really well. Heartbreakingly close is Baxi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar on 60. They played it really well. Teams, remember, nobody goes away who's without a prize because you're all winners. You've come here from thousands of schools. You've chosen you guys to come here and participate. You've won a round and come here. You've qualified for this round. So we're going to give you e-certificates and a shield for your school. All of you will go home with something. So well done, Bhubaneswar Model Public, Bongaigaon High Secondary School, and Baxi Jagabandhu Bhubaneswar. And now it's time to move to our top three teams. In third place, we have qualifying for the national semi-finals, St. Joseph Katrapara, represented by Atiksha and Divajyoti. They win themselves the prize, and that is a terrific book, The 100 Most Influential World Leaders of All Time. That's what the third prize winner gets. In second place, we have Mount Assisi Bhagalpur. And let's see what they've won for themselves. They've won The 100 Most Influential Scientists of All Time. That's a lovely book, a book to look forward to. That's our second prize. And for first place, and that's Don Bosco Bandel, this is what they've won. It's a fantastic book with a lot of knowledge about the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's your first prize for the day. It's been an absolutely fascinating day of quizzing because we've had the results decided in the very last few questions of the final countdown. And that made the crucial difference between teams from going from the zonal rounds to the Omega National semi-finals. Next, we have a round coming up. The South Zone finals coming up next on IQL. Looking forward to seeing you there. Goodbye.